In today's video, I will walk you through how to create typography text in Adobe Photoshop. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. We are going to start by selecting the Type tool from the toolbar. After that, go to the Window menu at the top of Photoshop and open the Character panel. For this effect, a bold font works best because the lettering stays readable even after we distort and warp it. Now type your word onto the canvas and place it roughly where you want it to appear in the composition. At this stage, the positioning does not need to be perfect because we will still be transforming the text in the next steps. Once the text is ready, right-click on the text layer and convert it into a smart object. This is an important part of the process because it allows you to transform and warp the typography without permanently reducing the quality of the original text. Next, press Ctrl and T to activate Free Transform. Rotate the text slightly and scale it while holding Shift, so the proportions stay controlled. Even small adjustments here can make the typography feel more dynamic and energetic. After that, right-click and choose Warp. Carefully drag the warp handles and bend the text into a flowing form that feels natural. Try to avoid pushing the distortion too far, because keeping the text readable helps the final design look cleaner and more professional. Take your time adjusting the curves and angles until the overall shape feels balanced. Once you are happy with the distortion, press Enter to confirm the transformation. Now choose this layer to duplicate a copy by selecting it and pressing Ctrl and J. Move the duplicated layer to the top of the layer stack, then temporarily hide it. Hold Alt and click between the layers to create a clipping mask. After that, make the hidden layer visible again. Add a layer mask to the top layer, click on the mask, and press Ctrl and I to invert it. This hides the entire layer so you can manually reveal only the areas you want. Next, select the brush tool and set the hardness to 100% so the edges stay sharp and clean. Adjust the brush size depending on the level of detail you want, and make sure the foreground color is set to white. Begin painting over the layer mask to gradually reveal parts of the typography effect. This creates a layered and dimensional appearance that gives the text a more polished and visually interesting result. Continue brushing and refining the revealed areas until the composition feels balanced. And that is how you create this typography text effect in Adobe Photoshop. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.